everyone, it's Natasha Marie, and today I'm gonna show you this like natural minimal makeup that is kind of easy to make or do, but it took me like a while because my things were scattered everywhere. So I'm gonna show you this look. It's just simple and just a baby wing and some lashes, and just groomed my brows a little. Yeah, so just to, I have foundation on, and because my skin just looked not good like this one. Like it just, like the foundation, like just barely covered this acne right here, but because I did this, but that is in double speed because my mom was in the room and I was shy to be talking, but whilst my mother was there, and yeah, that was like I just muted it and I'm just gonna put. So I hope you keep on watching and yeah, enjoy. Hi everyone, so this is me moisturizing using the Misha aloe vera gel, and yeah, I've just patted it on. Yes. And next is my Nivea, of course, my moisturizer for my lips. I use everywhere, like in my face, in my hands. And then next is L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Gold 4. This matched me pretty well. It doesn't match my face, but it matches my chest, so that's a good thing. So I just dot it all over my face and just blend it with a sponge, which we will see in a while. Yeah, that's the sponge. Like my makeup, like proper makeup sponge, was like dirty still, so I just used this wedge sponge and I buff it in, like smoothen it out with a stripping brush. I look so ugly without makeup. Next is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, no concealer, in the shade Sand. This was like too much of what I've done, but I put on foundation. Like normally I just put on a little bit of concealer without foundation, and it's just SPF and then concealer, and my base is done. And also powder, a little bit of powder under the eyes. But today, because I put on foundation, I'm just gonna put on a big amount of concealer, and I just blend it in with a brush, a dense brush, because it's just effective that way. Yeah, it just has that coverage that I need. The next is the Nichido Final Powder in the shade, I forgot, is this cream? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I forgot the shade name. Oh my gosh. But that this powder is really good. But just to tell you that it is not really like advisable to put on using a wet sponge, because it just stays, and it's advisable to use with something dry. And I just buff it out because I don't bake when I have natural looks. And I just set the rest of my face where I put my concealer, except for my cheeks, because I'm gonna put something liquid in there. So yeah, sorry for that. Like, it's raining here in my place, and like I can't wait to voice over this. So I'm just putting on Skin Genie Staying Alive lip and cheek tint in the shade Heart all over my cheeks, and then this Cheeky Glow, like it's this peach glow in Maybelline's Cheeky Glow, like in my blush, and just put it all over my cheeks, on the bridge of the nose, just to give that drunk blush look that like it's trending nowadays, and I kind of like it. Like, I really like it. I just check myself there. Yep, add something. I just added some because it's a sheer thing. I'm just gonna build it up. Yeah, it's like raining. Yep. Just put on some. This Innisfree Auto Eyebrow. Just brush my eyebrow hairs. And just fill it in because I'm growing my brows. That's why. Yeah, it doesn't require much. Just a little bit of finessing and filling in. Like, I'm really happy about that. I have like I'm effortless doing my brows, just filling in gaps that did not want to grow when I was growing it. Yeah, so just gonna brush it with using a hyper curl mascara. Maybelline's hyper curl mascara, you know, because I don't have an eyebrow mascara. And yeah, I'm just setting my eyes with powder before my eyeshadow, and I'm using a peachy orange eyeshadow all over my lids just to give it warmth, and then a dark brown just in the lash line just to give it a little bit of depth because have pronounced eyelids, you have protruding eyelids. And this Hairline eyeliner, just a baby wing. I'm just going to make a baby wing just at the outer half of my eyes because I'm afraid of being and then I'm curling my lashes. Just curling both of my lashes. Then I'm coating my lashes with the same mascara, the Hyper Curl mascara. I used to love the Lash Sensational, but mine just dried out because I just used it too much and it's like a year old to me. And just, yeah. So I'm just gonna use this Hyper Curl mascara. Yes, it still works, though I much prefer the Lash Sensational, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, it looks good. It looks natural and thick and long. Yep. And then this taupe MAC blush as my contour. I really love this shade because it's not that pigmented. It's just buildable and it's great actually. And I just put it on my nose, contour my nose, across my nose bridge, just give it like a button nose, and then under and my cheeks there, and then on my jaw, just to pronounce my jaw because I don't have a jaw. Then I grab this Wet n Wild eyeshadow in Walking on Eggshells and then grab the pink one just for my highlight because this is really great highlight. Like, it's really natural and it's pink, so it blends with my blush. I really like this. Like, I use it like almost on a daily basis. Then I grab the white one and highlight my nose bridge, and then on the tip of my nose, and then the sides of my nose, and at the top lip, just a little bit on the top lip. Then I wipe away my moisturizer and then grab the Skin Genie Lip Therapy in the shade Merlot. And then I grab my Hairline Kiss Sticks in the shade Pinch. I really love this shade because it's really like my lips but better. It's really nice like for ombre effect or like just a normal just itself. It's really good. I recommend this shade, guys. So I'm just gonna arrange my hair because my hair is never really tamed, so I try to tame it. So that's the final look, guys. I tried looking for a good lighting just to show off my makeup, and yeah, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.